In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Slack invitation. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. When you receive an invitation to join a Slack workspace, it's your doorway to collaborate with your team or other organizations. So the first step is to navigate to your home screen on Slack. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Directories. It's usually located on the sidebar. Go ahead and click on Directories. Once you're here, you'll see a section called External. Click that as well. This is where you can find all the pending invites you've received from other workspaces or teams. Now, take a moment to review the invitation details. This is important because it will tell you who invited you and which other organizations might also be working in the channel. Understanding this context can help you determine if this is a collaboration opportunity you want to pursue. If you're ready to accept the invitation, simply look for the Accept button and click on it. This step confirms your intention to join the Slack workspace that's inviting you in. After you accept the invitation, Slack will usually take you to the channel settings. It's important to review these channel settings before fully committing. You'll want to understand the rules, purpose, and general vibe of the channel so you know what to expect once you hop in. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click on Accept and Join Channel. Once you click this, you're officially part of the team. You'll gain access to the conversations, files, and all the collaboration tools offered within that channel. And there you have it. Accepting a Slack invitation is a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to do. It's a powerful way to communicate and collaborate effectively with others, especially if you're working across different organizations or teams. Remember, once you're in the channel, don't hesitate to introduce yourself to everyone. A simple, "Hi everyone, I'm excited to join this channel," can go a long way in breaking the ice and establishing a connection with your new colleagues. Plus, it shows you're eager to participate and contribute. If you have any questions about using Slack further or navigating its features, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. And if you're not already using Slack as part of your work routine, I definitely recommend checking it out. It's a fantastic tool for streamlining team communication. So that's it for today on how to accept a Slack invitation. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful, and feel free to share this with anyone else who might need a little guidance on getting started with Slack. Thanks for